Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I will show you how you easily can mine SafeMoon. So if you already have a wallet, just use that one. If you don't, I will show you how to get one. I would recommend you using the Trust wallet. So therefore you can just click on the first link or on like the second link when you're on Android to download it. So yeah, download it, install it, and then open it. When you open it, it should look like this here. And then we press on create a new wallet, accept it, and then enter a password. I will just press 6 times 1. Okay, continue. Important is that you save these 12 words. So I just copy it, put it here for now, and it's really important to keep them because when you lose it, you lose access to your wallet. So continue, and now we have to put them in the right order to make sure that we wrote them down correctly. So I will just put here and admit capital pink and upload portion. Water sustain sting and bicycle message skirt. Oh no, bicycle first. Okay, there we go. Done. So now we have our wallet here. Now we don't need notifications now. So then we click here and search for SafeMoon. There we go, we can activate it so it shows up in our dashboard. Click on it, and now we press receive, and that's our wallet address. You can use QR code, but it doesn't really make sense for our mining program, so we copy the link by pressing copy here and store the link for now here. Okay, so next step we have to do is to download the mining program. I did upload it for you, so just click on that link here, and now we can download it. Sometimes it will show up as virus or malware or somewhere. Do not hesitate, it's often like this with mining programs because lots of viruses use your PC to mine, but in this case we use the PC to mine for us and not for someone else, so it might show up it's a virus, but it's no problem because we are not mining for someone else. Okay, so let's open it and press extract. Okay, and now we have, well, we will just make a new folder. Probably it will be already in a folder for you if you don't have WinRAR. Okay, so now we go into this folder, and there we have our mining program, the Phoenix miner, and we have our start application or file. So we click on the start file, right click and press edit, and that's our whole code, and the only thing we have to change here is your SafeMoon address, and here we have to put in our address. So you take the address you copied earlier from the Trust wallet or your own wallet and put it in here, paste. Okay, now we go on file, save as, all files, and save. There we go. Okay, now we can close that, and when we press now start, double click here, you see the mining process is starting. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff here, but it's not really important for us. The only really important thing is the hash rate here. So we see currently it's on 0, but that's because the program is still starting. You see 70% at the moment, 84, 92, and there we go. Yeah, here. Okay, you see now our hash rate currently is at almost 22. Will go higher when I close my other programs I've open at the moment. But yeah, that's it. Now we're mining. But the question is now, how can we see how much we already mined? And therefore we have to go on the website of the pool we're mining with, and that's Unminable. So that's the next link in the description. Just click on it, and then it should look like this here. Now first of all we can check how profitable it is, our mining. So therefore we can put in our hash rate here. So we're currently around 22. So that would mean we are mining 400,000 SAFEMOON per day, or what is that, 11 millions per month. Yeah, and now to see our balance and to transfer it to our wallet, we have to insert our mining address, our wallet address in here. So we copy it again and put it in here. And yeah, now we see, okay, the mining process has been started. We can see our hash rate here, and at the moment it's still on 0 SAFEMOON, but that will change in a few minutes. Don't worry if it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, that's normal. And yeah, that's it. Now we can wait. We need, here we can see, okay, we need 7 million SAFEMOON till we can pay out, and then we can press pay now button, or if we want auto pay we can also select this button, and then it will pay out automatically when we are on 7 million SAFEMOON, and then it will show up here in your Trust wallet. Currently we're at 0 SAFEMOON, but as soon as we got the 7 millions, it will automatically pay out and be visible here in our SAFEMOON wallet on Trust wallet. Yeah, I hope I could help you. If there are still any questions, leave them in the comments, and yeah, would be happy if you would subscribe so you don't miss any other video, and then see you next time. Bye bye.